So as you can see up here, the user got registered. Some error with my Mac and cloud. So as you can see over here, the user got registered, the fields are entered up here, and he got a unique ID. So let's try to log in again. I would be using this user ID and the password as it's easy to remember. And if I try to log in up here, it says this password is invalid or the user does not have a password. So the entering the password is mandatory up here. So I already added the form validation and everything up here as well. So as you can see over here, that's my home screen. And let's quickly show you the feature. So if I want to order a coffee or something, I would just click on the coffee. Let me close the screen. Oh. Let me order a breakfast sandwich quickly. So as you can see up here, it's a payment page open and the price is written over here, and there's a description for the thing as well. So if I just click on the continue, it does say add, and as I click on the OK, it says the payment was succeeded, and that it adds on into my total spending up here. So let's review the code. So that's my view page up here, and as you can see over here on the app.delegate, I configured the Google Firebase and I started the Firebase configuration up here. And after the Firebase is as the user is authenticated, I bring all the data. I fetch all the products from my store kit. So that's my store kit file up here. I have manually added 10 of the items on the store kit itself, like the cold coffee, dark roast and everything. And I created a new Swift class in which I added the products, and I added the price of each of them. So whenever a customer purchases an order, it goes over here in the SK payment transaction, and it checks all the 4 switch cases: purchasing, purchase failed, restored and deferred. If the case has been if the product has been purchased, then it's been validated up here using a switch case and a function, that's product completion function. And I declared the completion function up here, private var completion, and it has a double type of the data, double data type. And if you go to the home screen, if you go to the view and the login screen, you can see over here I have used the email and the password to verify the user ID and the password. So over here it's the authentication has been taken place, so auth.auth to verify if the user already exists, and if it exists then it will transition to the home page. If it doesn't exist, then it will throw the error up here. On the register page, it will take 4 parameters: first name, last name, email ID and the password, and it has a sign up button up here. So once all the user IDs are filled correctly, you can see over here I have put the if else conditions to check the form validation, and if there would be any space or anything, then I have cleared it using the trimming functionality. So it will check all the parameters has been passed by the user, and after that it will show the message that user has been changed, and it would be to transit to the home page. So this was my demonstration for my coffee coding brews app.